Hello, guys. I hope you can hear me well. Welcome back to another live at Voice of Crypto with David Blunt. Today, we're talking about BTC index in extreme fear and my opinion actually on the market. Do I think is the time to buy the dip? That's what we're going to see today. Before we get into any content, I would love to do our quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. So none of this content is a financial advice. You must do your own market research when it comes to trading, investing. It's very important. With our disclaimer in place, we can move straight away into the Bitcoin price. And let me know in the comments, guys, what would you like to see on the channel? And if you have any specific altcoin or anything that you want me to have a look on, it's more than a pleasure to help the audience and, do some research together. Let's go straight away into the BTC price. It's currently trading at 57,249. I've got here a bearish target price, okay? But currently, I am not longing or short in Bitcoin. I am still waiting. And I think if we do go to the downside, we're likely to see Bitcoin retesting 50,000 once more. But again, it is a probability, okay? Some buyers are waiting at this level. That's why it could happen. But however, if we hold for this next 24 hours, and if we don't start dipping, I would definitely open a new long position because we also have a lot of bullish momentum going on. Okay, so we have to be prepared for both scenarios. If we do break out, I would say 64,000 is the next level to the upside to watch. Okay, so if we go down, they are both a probability. It is around 50K, and if we go up 64,000, I would say for Bitcoin price. But again, as I mentioned, I think it's important to watch at least one more candle on the daily. Okay, it seems like we're holding, but we could also retest the 200 EMA and start going down. But it's both a probability. So the best thing is to wait, keep tracking, and make the right decision. Okay. So personally, I am waiting to see what's going to happen next. Moving into Ethereum, it's very, very similar. It seems that we are holding, but we have this sort of red candle still on a daily. So we might go sideways or we might go down or up. So that's a probability, okay? If we go up on Ethereum, the target price would be 3,400, somewhere to 2,450, somewhere where we had this previous drop, okay? And if we do go down, I believe we could retest even lower, 2,400, somewhere around here. And, guys, if we do break support, we could definitely expect a massive drop. But if we hold, we could expect to retest resistance. But of course, first target price would be 3,400. As I mentioned, I'm also waiting on Ethereum. That is the daily, not even talking about the 4-hour time frame. I normally look from the daily to the 4-hour time frame to make a decision, okay? But sometimes it doesn't matter if I am trading on the 4-hour time frame. So everybody has their own technique and strategy. That is what I'm personally doing. Don't forget to join our tele, okay? Links down below. If you are in this market, you need to track the news. Trust me, it makes a lot of impact. So link down below to Voice of Crypto Telegram announcement channel. Moving back to CoinMarketCap, today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is currently at 2.11 trillion, a 2% decrease over the last day. Fear and greedy index, it's unfair at 40 at the moment. So it's starting to be fearful. And you know what to do when people are fearful. Today, wait, but tomorrow, the time is coming, guys. We have to take a decision on the Bitcoin price. But I believe we could have a look together too on this article and be like not financial advice, but you can be based on some data. Okay, so I generally believe that we should wait a little bit more and see what's going to happen tomorrow or after tomorrow. But according to Cointelegraph, the latest article is mentioning buying the dip. Bitcoin institutional investors add 100k BTC in a week. Bitcoin institutional investors go on a 100,000 BTC buying spread amid BTC price lows. BTC institutional investors are buying the dip while BTC price action cycles multi-month lows, analysis say. In one of its quick take blog posts on July 11, on-chain analytics platform CryptoQuant revealed 100,000 BTC in a new purchase in just 1 week. Bitcoin institutional buying 1 week 5.7 billion. Bitcoin institutional investors are not only buying but doing so with more conviction that when Bitcoin USD trader near all-time highs. That is the conclusion of CryptoQuant contributor Howie Oliveira, who this week analyzed the change in a wallet balance of entities between 1,000 and 10,000 BTC. These entities, who reflect the institutional side of the Bitcoin investor base, have opened their exposure at a rapid pace since the start of June. Since then, BTC USD has fallen by up 23%. Even the last week, when Bitcoin hit its lowest level since late February, the buying continued with the total increase phasing 100,000 BTC, 5.7 billion in total. While many novice investors capitulated last week, with spectral in phases on coins purchased between 1 and 3 months ago, institutional players made the largest accumulation process since March. Oliveira summarized, and here we've got the data from Bitcoin large hold balance data, screenshot sourced by CryptoQuant. In terms of 30-day rolling balance change, the jump matches that seen during the height of the inflows to the United States spot Bitcoin exchange trade funds ETFs in March. This time, however, with the ETF inflows comparatively cool, the destination for the BTC lies elsewhere. This means that unlikely what was seen in March, which was a demand more linked to fundraising, the current institutional accumulation might indicate a true process of buying the dip in large players, Oliveira concluded. While March daily inflows topped 1 billion, the current day-to-day numbers are far smaller. Data from sourced including United Kingdom-based investment firm Farsight Investors shows around 79 million for July 11, while July 8 saw 294 million, the highest tally in a month. And here we have the Farsight Investor screenshot US spot Bitcoin ETF net flows sourced by Farsight Investors. So this is a very interesting data to have a look on. It's very, very accurate. Conviction outlasts the BTC price dip, as Cointelegraph reported. Other cohorts of Bitcoin hodlers face a battle of willpower as they told significant funds in the red. Short-term holders, including newcomer whales, faced 17% in unrealized losses. During the last week, trip to 53,500. The aggregate cost basis of the short-term holder investor base defined as entities holding a given unit of BTC for up to 155 days sits above 64,000 per calculations from on-chain analytics firm Glassnode. And here we have the screenshot data from BTC USD chart with short-term holder cost basis sourced by Glassnode. Earlier, Cointelegraph noted that overall crypto market sentiment remains gloomy, with the crypto fear and greed index dropping back to the extreme fear for the first time since January. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading move involves risk, and reader should conduct their own research when making a decision. So we have seen that some institutions are really ready to buy the dip, okay? And on a long-term side, guys, it is the best idea to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum, as it's just likely to pump sooner or later, okay? But we also show that people are very confident with Bitcoin, more than Ethereum actually, okay? We have also Donald Trump in favor of Bitcoin, apparently in the United States. Let's watch together what is going to happen next with this entire scenario. Moving back to CoinMarketCap, today's cryptocurrency top gainers and losers. Let me know if you have any altcoin that you like to know or that we could have a look together. I'll be happy to share it with you guys. Today's top crypto gainers and losers by market cap. First place, we have XRP. Surprisingly, has been up 4.70% on the past 24 hours, currently trading at 0.47. Second place, we have Market MKR, totally trading at 2.411.45, is up 4% on the 24-hour time frame. We have Mantra that I'm not very familiar yet with it. It might be an interesting one. Currently trading at 1.04, has been up 3.88% on the past 24 hours. We have Stellar XLM is up 3.11%. I believe you were able to receive this airdrop on Coinbase during the course, something like this. And guys, if you don't, I mean, I'm not promoting anything, but if you don't have any crypto, there is a lot of airdrops and courses that you can do, like on Revolut and other platforms, which you can just accumulate some free cryptocurrency, which is really cool. And we also have from TRX, currently up 1.68% on the past 24 hours. We have Cardano, Chronos, so nothing crazy really on the upside here on CoinMarketCap. Top cryptocurrency losers. Wow. On the loser side, we have like 13.98% down on Bonk. So Bonk is a meme coin, and if you are trading Bonk, be careful. But if you do, I hope you make profits, because these meme coins are extremely volatile. So if you know how to manage, you can make a lot of profit from it. Second place on the loser side today, we have Pepe is down 10.49%. We have Render on a third place today, currently trading at 5.85, has been down 9.72%. Brent also down 8.99%. INA, which is the one I am accumulating to the long term, I also mentioned yesterday in our live. On the previous one, you're able to go and watch the TA as well. I think Ethereum has a massive way to grow, on my opinion, but of course you have to do your own market research. Anyways, we have Fifth Network, we have Starnet that is down around 8%. Artificial super intelligence Fed Alliance currently trading at 1.11 is down 7.93%. And those coins related to AI could do very, very well. Okay, as long as you manage to do your research, go to the white paper, follow the team, and keep tracking what these projects are doing. But I believe AI, gaming, and all these things are absolutely bullish on a long-term talking. Moving into crypto bubbles, Dana. Let me double check if we have any comments. Nothing yet. But thank you guys to be supportive. Anyways, moving into crypto bubbles on a week, we have Alex Lab, currently 98.7% up on a weekly. Might be an interesting one to start looking at. So funny that crypto bubbles is looking very healthy today for the altcoins and meme coins. We have Bake up 35.1%. Y it's up 31.9%. Parade 35.8%. Game build token on the weekly is up 36.5%. So you know what you should do, not financial advice, but wait for the pump to get over and you can sell the biggest green bubbles. Okay, sell the top, buy the deep. But guys, remember, we are on a bull market still, so it's more profitable to long than to short. But of course, on a small time frame, you can potentially do both if you know how to. Okay. Today, top buyers would be Wolf, is down 43.7%, and Landwolf, apparently based on Solana, 54.50 million market cap. You need to do your own research. It could be a meme coin, okay? But as long as you manage to buy this deep and exit on the right time, you can make a nice profit. And on a trading side, you know what I always say about altcoins and meme coins? As long as you know how to manage, I hope you can make a nice profit. Also, Solidus AI Tech has been down 13.8%. It's a very interesting project to have on and could do really, really well on a bull run too. So it might be an interesting one to accumulate. On a trading side, I am not so sure yet, but if you are buying to the long term, it is nice. Lots of opportunities on the market today, and I hope you guys could have a nice one. And let me know in the comments, what would you like to see? Don't forget to join Voice of Crypto Telegram announcement, as we are always on top of the crypto news on the market, everything that is happening, events, Web3 and more. Okay, everything you need to know, it's linked at the Telegram. All links down below. Don't forget to visit Voice of Crypto website, links down below too. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. We are here to help you as much as we can. Thank you so much. See you soon.